Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay a lot for a little when you can spend a little and make a lot? Today we're going to make Copycat Taco Bell shredded chicken soft tacos. To a pot we're going to add 1 skinless boneless chicken breast and 2 skinless boneless chicken thighs. We're going to add 4 cups of chicken broth. Over medium-high heat, we're going to bring it to a boil. Now that the broth is boiling, we're going to reduce heat, cover, and simmer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of it boiling, we're going to turn off the heat. We're going to remove the chicken. We're going to let it cool down. With the chicken broth, we're going to pour off 1 3/4 cup. Now we're going to take that 1 3/4 cup chicken broth, add it back to the pan. We're going to take 1 tablespoon plus 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. And give it a tiny whisk together. Now we're going to add 1 3/4 teaspoon of tomato and chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, a half teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Whisk it together. Now we're going to shred the chicken. Once the mixture starts to boil, we're going to add our shredded chicken. We're going to reduce heat to medium-low and simmer uncovered for 30 minutes or until the liquid has reduced and thickened up. After 30 minutes, we're going to cut off the heat. Add in 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Stir that in. Cover and let it sit for 5 minutes. Microwave 8 6-inch flour tortillas for 20 or 30 seconds. And after 5 minutes, it's time to eat. Now it's time to make the tacos. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of chicken. Some shredded lettuce. And some cheddar cheese. It's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That's a darn good taco. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.